costume of Danao del Norte is a stunning representation of the rich cultural heritage of the Maranao people from the Mindanao region of the Philippines, drawing inspiration from the mythical bird, the Sari Manok, a symbol of prosperity, good fortune, and divine protection. The costume features intricate designs and vibrant colors. The symbol typical includes the flowing with malong or sarong, often woven with the geometric and flower patterns, alongside the beautifully adorned entities resembling the feathers of the legendary bird. I swear to represent the people Mananao's bravely and their strength. The Sari Manok costume is not only a celebration